Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw one of the new Pokemon. This is going to be Dachsbun. So Dachsbun is a dog type Pokemon and I just think he's too cute not to draw. So I'm going to start with the mouth actually. I'm going to start with the little nose. So we got like upside down triangle. And then we're going to do just a little curve and then come on up. And then another little curve. It's going to be kind of like a little cute little smile. All right, so this line is going to continue out a little further. And then we're going to have a little bottom here to the mouth. Next, let's do the eyes. So I'm going to do an oval and give a little space and do another one. And inside that, we're going to do a circle in both, and on the bottom we can do like a little upside down, well no, like a little hill. And then we can color this part in all dark. Okay, so now we have the eyes and the nose and the mouth all done. Let's do the eyebrows. So we'll go up a little bit above the eye and do a little shape like that. And another one. Okay, and now we can do the shape of the head. So we're going to come down from this eyebrow and then curve. And come along here, top of the head. And I'm going to stop right here, because we're going to do the buns on the side of the head now in a moment. And right here, I'm actually going to come on up and do like a little pointed part. So that's going to be part of the kind of like the neck fluff. So now we're going to continue on with the face. And I'm going to stop right there. So let's work on the buns on the side of the head. So I'm going to do almost like a triangle kind of. Like if this were the bottom and this were the pointy part right here. And now I'm going to do a big curve and then come on in. Right here we're going to have like a circle, almost rounded part here in the middle. And then we can come out from here and curve. And I'm going to do 2 lines on each part. Except the middle part. Okay, now we're going to do the other one here. And I'm going to do a little bit of fluff first, a little bit more neck fluff. Like that. So now we can do a big curvy shape like that. And another little curve. And another one right here. And then we can do those, the lines. So here's 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, and 2. All right. So next, we're going to do a curve here on top of the head. And I'm going to do a little line here under the eyes and going across the nose here and going across the cheek. Now let's do some more fluff here under the neck. So I'm just doing all kinds of triangular bits of fluff. You don't have to make it look exactly like what I'm doing. It's up to you. All right, so next let's do some almost like circular bubbly kind of shapes just underneath the fluff here. And I'm going to do a line right here and another one going all the way following the shapes that we just made. All right, Now we can do a front foot. And we're going to do like 3 little toes, 3 little claws, I mean. And then come on up. And right here, we'll bring down like a little, start a little line here for like a shoulder, and then come on downward. Bring another line down, and then we can have 1, 2, 3 little claws. And right here by the bun here, we can bring down a line, start to kind of curve right here. It's going to be like a little knee. And right here, we can do a line. We'll have a little bit of like a belly. And do another line there too. And this will be a back foot. And we can do 1, 2, 3 little claws. Bring that up. And here in the back, we'll see some more little tail-like fluff. So some more of those little triangular fluffy bits. And then we're going to have another rounded spot and another little line. All right, and the other foot is going to be right here. We can kind of see it on the other side. So we'll do another 1, 2, 3 little claw toes. And there you have it. We're done our sketch. Now I'm going to start coloring. All right, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here next time for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.